everyone, welcome to my channel, and for those who have already visited my previous videos, thank you so much for coming back. Today I would like to share my new design Evil Eye chain bracelet. Inspired by this, which I made a few months ago and which I wear all the time, I have been trying for a while how to design with 6 strings, but just couldn't figure out how. And a few days ago I just tried something new and it worked. And this is really quick and fun to make, so hope you enjoy making it with me too. Okay, so let's get started. Here is the length guide of strings in order to make a bracelet of 14.5 centimeters with tails of 10 centimeters, or in inches 5.75 inches of bracelet and 4 inches of tails. The longest string, which is for chain, should be 240 centimeters or 7 feet 10.5 inches. The blue string for the eye should be 140 centimeters or 4 feet 7 inches. And the black string for the center of the eye should be 100 centimeters or 3 feet 4 inches. To start with, put both centers of blue and black strings together. Then, with the center of the white string, make one lark head knot onto the center of the 2 strings. Then set the strings as shown here. In order to make the initial loop, next to the lark head knot, make 6 backward-forward knots with the white string. Flip them over to work on the other side. Now, next to the first lark head knot, make 6 forward-backward knots with the white string. Here's the initial loop, and now set the strings as shown. Set the 2 blue strings in the center, then the 2 black strings, and then the 2 white strings in the outermost. Take the 2 blue strings in the center and connect them with either forward-backward knot or backward-forward knot. Take the blue string on the left and make 1 double backward knot on both black and white strings. Take the other blue string and make 1 double forward knot on both black and white strings. Now, separate each of the white strings from each of the black strings which are coming out from the same knot and place them in the center. Take those white strings and make either double forward knot or double backward knot. Take the white string on the left and make one double backward knot onto the black string. Now, take the other white string and make one double backward knot onto the black string. Now, take the two black strings and make either double forward knot or double backward knot. Take the white string on the left and make one double forward knot onto the black string. Take the other white string on the right and make one double backward knot onto the black string. Now, take the two white strings in the center and make either double forward knot or double backward knot. Now, take the blue string on the left and make one double forward knot onto both black and white strings. While making this knot, don't pull too tight so that you will see the blue string running along the eye part you already made. Now, take the blue string on the right and make one double backward knot onto both black and white strings. Same thing here, please don't pull too tight. Now, take the two blue strings in the center and connect them with either double forward knot or double backward knot. Here, we finished making one evil eye. Now, we make the chain part. Separate each of the white strings from the others and place them on the outside. Take the white string on the left and make 6 forward backward knots onto the black and blue strings. Now, take the white string on the right and make 6 backward forward knots onto the black and blue strings. Now, we are back to where we started. Set the strings the way we did at the beginning. Continue on making the second evil eye. Repeat the steps until you reach the desired length. I made 7 evil eyes and 6 chain parts in between. After you reach the desired length, make 2 of 3 strand braids with each color. Finish them with overhead knots. And it's done. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and enjoyed making this bracelet with me. Also, I'm planning on making other new variations of chain bracelets in the coming weeks, so please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching and hope to see you soon.